Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with another video where I will show you how you can pin reels on your profile. So this is a new feature that has been lately introduced by Instagram. So let's see how you can use it. First of all, you need to open the Instagram app and go to your profile by pressing the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. From here, you need to go to the Reels section where you will see all of your Reels that you have posted on Instagram. So now you can even pin your Reels at the top just like your post. So this option was only available for the post section. As you can see, I have pinned 3 of my posts, but now you can also pin your Reels separately. What you need to do is you just need to long press the Reel that you want to pin, and this will give you the option to pin to your Reel. So this particular Reel will always appear at the top of the Reel section until you remove. So you can do this for 3 of your Reels, alright? Whichever are your top performing Reels, you can pin them at the top. Again, long press, select pin to your Reels. So yeah, that's all you need to do. You can pin maximum of 3 reels, alright? So yeah, that was it for today's topic. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are not already subscribed to stay tuned of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.